Hello friends, this video is not for those who just want to eat anything and everything, whatever comes to mind, and simply get by in life. Rather, this video is for those who want to eat the right food, absorb its nutrients into their bodies, and live a healthy, beautiful, energetic, powerful, and vigorous life. Friends, today we want to suggest a nutritious breakfast for you which will fulfill all your nutritional needs. Your body needs all kinds of nutrition. Nutrition includes vitamins, proteins, amino acids, omega, and carbohydrates. There are many things included. If you eat or have breakfast with proper planning, you won't lack any of these nutrients. As you can see in the video, there are 6 types of products on a tray. We are going to suggest to you how to combine and eat these 6 products. In this tray, as you can see, there is both moth and moong. Moong is green in color. Moth is a bit dull in color. Look carefully. If you go to the shop and ask for moth, you will get moth. If you ask for moong, you will get moong. So we hope your doubt has been resolved. Secondly, many people buy raisins from the market and immediately open the packet and start eating them. This is not good for their health. First, carefully see how raisins should be eaten. There is a lot of dirt inside raisins. That's why, first of all, wash them thoroughly 2 or 3 times. After washing, you will see dirty water coming out of them. After that, place the raisins on a clean cloth and let them dry. Once the raisins are dry, store them in a container and eat a little bit every day. Now let's learn how to make a nutritious snack or nutritional breakfast using these 6 nutritional products. Take 20 to 25 raisins, count out 5 almonds, take 10 peanuts, and take a handful each of chickpeas, mung beans, and moth beans. Listen again. Take 20 to 25 raisins, 5 almonds, and 10 peanuts. Take a handful each of chickpeas, mung beans, and moth beans. Mix all these products together and soak them in water overnight. Remember to soak the raisins separately. In the morning, after waking up, take all these products out of the water and discard the water. Do not throw away the raisin water. You should drink it because it contains a lot of nutrients. Now combine these 6 products and eat them like a breakfast. While having breakfast, make sure to chew thoroughly and enjoy the taste as you eat. Friends, why have we suggested this breakfast with these 6 products in different quantities? There is a reason behind this. It is so that you get all the nutrients present in these in the right amount, not too much, not too little. If you want to know the nutritional value of all these things, you can visit nutritionvalue.org and check the nutritional tables. There is a table available for each product. That is, there are tables for minerals, vitamins, and proteins. In these tables, pay attention to the term DV, which means daily value, that is, for a particular product. For example, almonds. The percentage of daily value that the vitamins in almonds cover is more important. You can find out the nutritional value and daily value of all products. That is why we have suggested using different products in different quantities to make this breakfast so that all the nutrients required by your body are fulfilled and you become healthy, beautiful, energetic, strong, and virile. Healthy, beautiful, strong, energetic, and virile. It sounds wonderful to hear all this, but it is also important to be able to properly control and regulate these qualities in your life. For that, a brahmacharya lifestyle is essential. In the brahmacharya lifestyle, simply eating and sitting idle is not allowed. That means whatever you eat, after eating, you should walk a little or sit in Vajrasana. Sitting in Vajrasana also helps your breakfast or any meal you have eaten to digest properly. Vajrasana is a very simple posture. There is a big difference between Vajrasana and Brahmacharya Asana. To sit in Vajrasana, fold both your legs and sit like this. Place both your hands on your knees and remain seated calmly for 5 to 10 minutes. Practicing Vajrasana in this way helps your food digest very quickly. Apart from this, the Brahmacharya lifestyle also includes walking, exercising, practicing yoga postures, doing pranayama, and meditating. If you combine a nutritious diet with a Brahmacharya lifestyle, nothing can stop you from becoming healthy, beautiful, energetic, powerful, and full of vitality very quickly. Just try it for 1 month. Your body, mind, and intellect, everything will change and you absolutely won't believe it. You will feel that you don't need anyone's help. I have to help myself. Pure, nutritious food and the Brahmacharya lifestyle are my true friends in helping myself. Friends, in this way, we will continue to provide you with information about nutritious and pure food along with the Brahmacharya lifestyle. If you like this video, please share it as much as possible and be sure to give your feedback. All the very best.